So this one's pretty cool. This is known as the candle snuff fungus, and one of the, let me set you down here actually real quick. There you go. Yeah, it's known as the candle snuff fungus, and one of the coolest things about these is that they release spores. You can see them, the white powder kind of stuff on top of these little twigs. But the reason they're called candle snuff fungus is because if you flick them, they release spores like that, and it kind of looks like a candle going out. So I'll give you one more flick here. Look at that. Just beautiful. Really cool. Good cluster of candle snuff fungus.